12-volt systems can sometimes be a little confronting and even a little confusing, with wires, harnesses, switches, regulators and so many other components. Installing a 12-volt system in your caravan, canopy, four-wheel drive or even in your ATV can become a pretty expensive project. And let's face it, a lot of us leave it for another day. However, what if I told you there was a solution that's not only going to save you money and time, but I guarantee you can install it yourself. The 6-shooter is a compact little unit that takes the fuss out of installing and controlling your 12-volt gear. It has 6 separate circuits for controlling and switching all your accessories, from driving lights to air compressors, fridges, LEDs and more. Basically anything you need to turn on and off can be connected to the 6-shooter. Out of the box comes everything that you'll need for a simple and easy install, including 6 wiring harnesses for all of your accessories. Now there are some custom harnesses available too for spotlights and air compressors. But one of the things that I absolutely love about this product is the wireless switching panel. It means that you no longer have to push any of those wires through the firewall. You can just simply install this wherever you would like. It's really that simple. The 6-shooter also has a Bluetooth controller which allows you to customize and control your system to suit your needs. Maybe you'd like to turn the lights on or off at camp from the comfort of your swag, or even dim the lights from the comfort of your caravan bed. The 6-shooter Bluetooth system allows you to trigger these very things via your phone with the app. You can even check your battery levels from the comfort of your camp chair. The 6-shooter switching module is IP67 rated, which means it can be mounted under your bonnet or on the back of your ATV with no dramas. Connecting 12-volt accessories to your caravan, camper, four-wheel drive or canopy has never been easier.